Okay, guys, real quick, we are going over how to update the gross revenue and update the monthly actual and quarterly actual for pillars. Okay. Only thing you're going to need from this, you're going to need your cancellation tracker. I'm going to go ahead and link this over. And then you're going to need your KPI tracker, which you should have access to. And I'm going to walk you through how to dig into this. So all you're going to do is open up this doc. I'm looking for monthly actual. So what happened this week? I'm going to pull up the KPI tracker, make sure I'm lined up. 46,631. These numbers need to match across. 46,631. Gross revenue. My gross revenue I'm going to pull from financials. I should have done this already. Is 4,031. Oh, so guys, when I paste this, it acts really tricky. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to $4,403. $4,403. Oh, I don't know why that went there. There we go. I've updated those numbers across. It looks good. Again, it matches my tracker. When I go down here next, quarterly, because my weekly's changed, my quarterly has changed. So now I need to update my quarterly. So quarterly actual, monthly actual, that's going to switch to 132, 12, 17, 1. 132, 12, 17, 1. There you go. I matched across. I'm good to go. I got that. And then again, guys, this is basically just telling me, are we close to hitting our goal? 46 out of 103, 6 current. And, with this, we don't really measure FEOs. We measure CEOs. Our goal is to get 5 CEOs. We have 3. Those 6 FEOs should convert, which should push us over. It's telling me that we need to make a hard push in the FEO section towards converting those 6 to turn this into 9. If we treat our people right, it should work. Okay, so that's that. Clients lost 1. We need to lose less than 4, so we're on track for that. And then quarterly, our quarterly goals here, 132 out of 311. Looking shy there. Here, we've already superseded this goal, and we can't lose less than 12. We're looking good. That is how you update the 4 pillars, and I'm going to double check this. Leads, FEO, CEOs, clients lost. Those are my pieces that I'm looking for, and we have updated all those. We've updated the gross revenue as well. I'm going to double link these videos. And there you go, guys. That is how we're doing it. Thank you.